Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping so nothing interrupts cook time. Get 300 G spaghetti and 400 G shrimp on the counter, peel and devine while water heats. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, add 1 tablespoon salt and drop the pasta. Stir immediately to prevent sticking. While the pasta cooks, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Make sure shrimp are dry so they sear rather than steam, and mince the garlic so it cooks quickly and evenly. Once the skillet is hot and oil shimmering, add shrimp in a single layer and sear about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Remove them when just pink and slightly opaque. Make sure to lower heat slightly, then add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant but not brown. Add 60 milliliters white wine or stock to deglaze the pan and scrape brown bits. Meanwhile, reserve 1 cup of pasta water before draining. Add the pasta to the sauce so it finishes cooking in the pan and absorbs flavor. You finish by returning the seared shrimp to the skillet with the pasta, tossing gently to coat. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors, and add chopped parsley for freshness. If the sauce seems tight, add reserved pasta water a 1/4 cup at a time until silky. If it's too thin, simmer briefly to reduce. Make sure to taste and adjust salt and pepper before plating. Troubleshooting tip: if shrimp overcook, remove them immediately and keep sauce warm. They finish in seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.